Ever wanted to control your phone without touching it? Today, I'll show you an insane trick using an app called Spatial Touch. Step 1. First, go to the Play Store, search for Spatial Touch, and install it. This app lets you scroll up and down just by moving your hand. Step 2. Now, open the app and give it the required permissions. It needs accessibility access to detect your hand gestures. Here's how it works. To scroll down, simply use one finger and swipe down in the air. But to scroll up, use two fingers and swipe down. This way, the app accurately understands your commands. This trick is super useful when your hands are busy, you're eating, or you just want to look cool in front of your friends. Who needs to touch their phone anymore? Try this out and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and follow for more awesome tricks.